God. Oh, that hurts. That's like stomach acid coming out. Fuck. That is literal stomach acid coming out my butt. I'm flossing. I'm gonna have to floss with a towel to fucking... Cause I ain't making past those lasers and I ain't trying to fuck up that good job. Stab puts a lot of good work into their shit, so... Looks like I'm doing something nasty. Make sure that the art form stays true. Watch me do this. This is embarrassing. Fucking use a towel to floss. Just a random towel. Ain't nothing nuts. This ain't got no fucking TP up here. I'm doing this. Just run it through the wash later. Fuck me. A little bit of blood. There. Where's it go? All right. Okay.
Haley, let me know when Chris is done taking.
Right here.
Let me know when Chris is done taking.
I'm right here. Yeah, I'm done.
All right. Chris, can you bring the 3 waters? Are they full?
They're getting close.
They're getting gloves?
Still waiting on the 2.
What are the gloves for? Oh, they're getting close.
Yeah, they're getting close.
Copy, got it. All right.
Yeah, it should be good about 2 or 3.
So we can start on that one.
All right, I'll bring it up to. You want me to bring it down there?
Bring it right here, and we'll have to have 2 contestants go through the laser trip line.
Sounds good. Woo! That's like me and Trish's anniversary all over again. Try to work these a little bit quicker. Actually. All right. Now we're talking. Indian Tuk Tuk, bring you the water.
Contestants, you're going to need that water bucket down.
Thank you for Prime Indian. Y'all can see the steam just pouring out here. Let's get this one. Pull it over. How you looking? You might need a little longer. Here, let's try to. Actually, no, you're about right. You're about right. The same weight the other one. Yeah, let's move you there, buddy. Okay. Yeah. So how does it feel to go from competitor to freeloader?
Amazing. I love being a freeloader.
It's got caravan.
Huh?
Show us your caravan.
Caravan.
A caravan. You're a fortune teller? You know where you work out of?
Yeah.
It's typically called a caravan. Come on. Thank you, husband, for getting her on the right track. You two ain't married anymore? Damn, I thought after she left me, she's going for you. Let's see.
You got our first kiss.
Oh my, who's that one?
I don't know, that's for you to guess.
I think I know whose that is.
Yeah.
I think that's Taze, isn't it? You can tell me. Let me refresh your friendly neighbor, Gene.
Your favorite person in the world.
You? That's not you.
No.
Stay. Knew it. Knew it. Fucking knew it. Only Tay would have shitty craftsmanship like that. All right, let's see this. Oops, sorry. You good, man? Yeah. So, how does it feel coming out of your shell?
What do you mean?
Because what I mean, when I first met you, you were really, really hot and bothered about some stuff. We won't go into detail, but you were hot and bothered about some stuff. First week, it was kind of hard for you. But it seems like now, the past week and a half, you've been doing great. Why don't you tell the fans about it?
You know, I've gotten used to it, and we're near the end, so I'm just kind of chilling right at the moment.
Exactly. We're at what, last 30-ish hours? 30-something hours?
Yeah, yeah.
Let me go check the time. But yeah, it should be about 30, 32 hours. About this time tomorrow, we're going to be seeing, hopefully, the outcome.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. I hope the right person gets the stuff.
I know, right? I hope the right competitor gets it. They've all been kind of busting their asses to get here, so it's kind of hard to pick, you know,
I was surprised
one
that
person.
Bailey was the only one to get through the lasers.
I am too. I thought for sure she'd have set him off. I thought for sure she would have given off a couple salutes and fucking just went down with it. Oh. Did that go off? Nope, it's still going. Okay.
Now he is only hot, not bothered.
You know what? Fuck it. We good looking men, man.
Yeah.
The heavy breathing cam is a great addition to the tank.
Aha!
The video on Chris and just get the audio though.
What's that? Let's see.
Put them in the middle, please, guys.
The kids online say you wait for audio drop.
You happy?
Oh yeah.
You came real close to me there. Trying to send signals or something? You trying to win favoritism here?
No.
I can't play favorites now.
Try to do that, Chris.
All right, you have fun. Woo! It's like an ice skating ring up in here.
Cool. Oh yeah.
Yeah, can we fucking take a moment to like appreciate the Greg drip right now? Look at that.
Was not able to hold
He
the
is
rest.
dripped the fuck up.
He doesn't look good for the
If I were a woman right now, BBW walking up to you at the bar, I'd be like, "Hey, Chim, you want to have a good time?" Because you just that dripped the fuck up. Look at that. Look at them shoes. Look at the pants, dude. It fucking flows the glasses. The aviators.